It's the first bike ride of the season. It's going to be 51 degrees and the sun's going to be shining. And one of my followers stated that all they had to make a video with was an iPhone 6s. So today's video will all be made with the iPhone 6s. Stevens Lake Park. Paved, which is nice when it's been raining as much as it has. Right at 10 miles. Let's see, almost 10 miles, 9.8, something like that, 9-mile-an-hour pace, which for being off the bike for about 4 months now, and this being the first time back in the saddle, I'm okay with that. I'll get back up there. Normally during the season, I'll do 20 or 30 miles pretty easy, and then if we're actually doing a tour, we've done as much as 60 miles in a day, my buddy and I. So we've done some riding, but we're definitely not in shape right at the moment, so we'll see. That'll get better though as the season goes on. Nice day, 50 degrees. I'll take it. Sun was shining, felt like it was warmer. Today's footage all shot on an iPhone 6s, so let's see if we can make a video out of that. I bet we can. What? It was a bike ride. Burned plenty of calories, I'm sure.